Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send Ton from Bybit exchange to Telegram wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Bybit app and make sure you are logged in. Now, tap on Assets, then tap on Withdraw. Here make sure you have Ton available and ready to send. Now tap on Ton. In the address field, copy your Ton address from your Telegram wallet. So open your Telegram wallet. Then look for Toncoin in the wallet list. Then tap on it. Then tap on Receive. Tap on Copy Address and let's go back to our Bybit app. Then paste the Ton address into the address field. In the network selection, choose Ton. In the memo field, leave it blank, since our Telegram wallet doesn't have a memo. In the amount field, you can enter any amount depending on your available balance. Then tap on Withdraw. After tapping on Withdraw, a confirm prompt will open up. You just have to confirm that, and then it will send you a code on your email as well as Authenticator app. Then tap on Confirm. Here, enter the code that Bybit sent to your email or phone associated with your account, as well as the Google Authenticator app. Simply provide that code and your Ton will be sent to Telegram wallet. So that's basically how you can send Ton from Bybit exchange to Telegram wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.